Are you looking for the best dash cam for truckers 2024? In this video, we will look at some of the 10 best dash cam for truckers on the market. For more details and price, click product link. Please check the description box below. Before we get started with our video, number 1. Vantrue N4. Best overall. The Vantrue N4 is an exceptional value, offering a dash cam, cabin-facing camera, and rear-view camera. It attaches to the windshield with a suction mount, and its cameras can be adjusted for optimal coverage. The front dash cam records at 2560 by 2160 pixels, but drops to 2560 by 1440 when all three cameras are used. The cabin and rear cameras have 1920 by 1080 resolution. The cameras have wide fields of view with minimal distortion, and the cabin camera includes infrared lighting for low light conditions. The N4's integrated screen features a picture-in-picture mode that displays all three cameras feeds simultaneously, along with settings and recording modes. It offers low frame rate and low bit rate recording modes, but we found these can drain the car battery. The device also includes collision and motion detection, automatically saving relevant footage. A 128GB micro SD card holds about 6.7 hours of footage. We picked the Vantrue N4 as our best overall dash cam mainly because of its value. It's a strong competitor at a great price, with 3 cameras and lots of features, and it came in only slightly behind our top pick in image quality. Video quality was impressive across various light conditions, with good dynamic range and minimal noise reduction. Number 2. Garmin Mini 2. Best compact. The Garmin Mini 2 is an excellent choice for someone looking to keep their dash cam discreet and out of the way. It's compact enough to tuck behind your rear view mirror, if so desired. The app functionality is quite nice as well, and the 1080p matched up well against the competition, despite its diminutive size. While it's a nice set and forget dash cam, we found that it's a bit tricky to determine whether everything is set up correctly without checking it via the app. The lack of a screen makes it difficult to see if the camera is lined up properly. Additionally, there are a few different lights that blink on the cam, and it's confusing at first to know what they all mean. But once you get that all set, the Garmin Mini 2 is a solid choice for a tiny dash cam. Number 3. Nexar Beam. Best no-frills option. The Nexar Beam is an excellent entry-level dash cam, with a reasonable price tag. It boasts the standard features you'd expect to find, like parking guardian and G-sensor collision detection, and advanced features like GPS connectivity for data overlay. Another unique option is that the app can generate an insurance incident report aligning with footage and handy GPS coordinates. Different models of the Beam come with different SD card sizes. In our case, we purchased the 32GB option. However, one nice feature of the Nexar is that it offers unlimited cloud storage for all G-sensor locked data, meaning all collisions will always be stored and accessible on the cloud, which can be particularly crucial after an incident, or even months after the fact. Number 4. Cobra SC 400D. Best premium. As far as pure visual performance, the Cobra SC 400D was the best dash cam we tested thanks to its 4K resolution. We agreed that its video footage genuinely looked the best too. We found the touch screen to be easy to operate and responsive, and the Cobra uses its proprietary Drive Smarter app to provide police alerts and other driver reports. If we had one minor grumble, it would be that the mount only swivels forward and backward, not side to side. However, the wide angle of the lens practically eliminates the need to do so. The Cobra secures to the windshield via a large sticky pad for the mount and a very strong magnet for the camera itself. Of course, this kind of quality and sheer amount of features add up in cost. But if you're serious about purchasing a dash cam, we love this one. Number 5. Escort MAXcam 360C. Best radar dash cam combo. The MAXcam 360C primarily serves as a radar detector with a secondary dash cam function. It isn't ideal for those seeking only a dash cam, but for anyone wanting a radar detector with a competent camera to boot, it's a great choice. The dash cam boasts a 2560 by 1440 resolution with a Sony Starvis image sensor that captures 30 frames per second and offers a 143-degree field of view. The video quality is contrasty, with noticeable noise reduction and compression that significantly impacts image quality. We found the MAXcam 360C performed well in low-light conditions. Although finer details became blurry, it clearly captured license plates up to 10 feet away under ideal conditions. But beyond that, its clarity is a miss, even in the most ideal conditions. This product isn't suitable for everyone due to its high cost and the complexity of using a radar scanner. But if you're looking for a radar detector as well as a dash cam, and want to kill both birds with one stone, this Escort fits the bill. Number 6. Garmin 67W. Best for older vehicles. If you're looking for additional safety features, the Garmin 67W model is an excellent choice. The unit is small and unobtrusive, even compared to its Mini counterpart. To navigate through the unit's features, you utilize a series of buttons on the side of the camera instead of a touch screen to toggle through the menus. What we liked the most about the Garmin 67W was the integration of lane departure and forward collision warnings, both valuable safety features missing in older vehicles. The lane departure warning was a little touchy, admittedly, but we appreciated Garmin's commitment to integrating safety features, especially for those with older model vehicles. If you drive an older vehicle and want a modern but unobtrusive and easy-to-use dash cam, this Garmin is an excellent pick. Number 7. Nextbase 320-GW. Honorable mention. Nextbase is a staple in the dash cam world, so we had high expectations for its 320-GW dash cam. Unfortunately, the unit fell far short of our expectations. Despite its clean design, easy mounting, and large 2.5-inch touchscreen display on the rear of the camera, the unit underperformed when it came to the most important element, capturing clear high-quality video. At the core of the unit is a single camera with a 1920 by 1080 pixels, full HD resolution, and a wide 140-degree field of view. While that should be more than enough camera to capture most daily driving without issue, our resulting image quality was more than disappointing. The footage revealed high levels of grain during overcast and nighttime recordings, and terrible dynamic range in sunny, high-contrast scenes. Together, this made it difficult to read license plates and see finer details in the footage. The camera also tended to underexpose in overcast and nighttime scenes. The included GPS tracker for overlaying speed data onto the footage is a nice inclusion, and the touchscreen on the back of the camera is fantastic for composing the scene and navigating the menu. In fact, the entire user experience was solid, both directly on the device and in the accompanying Android iOS app. Menus were simple enough to navigate, the footage was easy to review, and overall, it was one of the more comprehensive applications we tested. Technically, the 320-W gets the job done and captures at least the basic elements. Should you ever need footage from a traffic incident, if Nextbase can step up the image quality in future models, the 320-W might someday be a front-runner for our best overall dashcam, given how intuitive the user experience is. For now, though, we just can't rank it among our top picks due to the poor image quality we experienced. Number 8. Nextbase IQ 4K Smart Dashcam Pro Bundle. Most anticipated. The IQ is the latest dashcam from Nextbase, and it brings with it some potentially game-changing dashcam tech. We didn't test it directly against our other suggestions, but did want to mention it as it has some incredible features. The IQ appears to be far more than your typical dash cam, so it deserves a full product review. Keep an eye out for that. Meanwhile, here's what we know. The IQ features specs that rival or exceed most of the best cams we've tested, with 360-degree coverage, a 2160p front cam, a 1440p interior cam, and a 1440p rear camera. Where the IQ truly sets itself apart is with an array of safety features that blur the line between a dash cam and a full suite safety system. Lane departure, collision imminent, and anti-sleep alerts, plus a guardian mode for monitoring younger drivers, and a parking mode that monitors an adjustable perimeter around your vehicle, are just a few of the neat tricks in the IQ's bag. The system's road watch uses AI to track the speeds and locations of vehicles around you, which promises to add another layer of protection we haven't seen from any other dashboard camera. The IQ is also available in price-conscious 1K and 2K resolution versions, as well as a top-of-the-line 4K version. This bundle includes the 64GB SD card and a rear-view camera. Number 9. Nextbase 620-GW. Best overall dashcam. The Nextbase 620-GW offers a range of features that matter most, including capturing detailed footage in 4K in both bright and low light conditions, and with an impressive night vision mode for clarity after dark. Its 3-inch touchscreen has an intuitive interface, and the magnetic mount is easy to use and easily my favorite. It comes with a 128GB SD card and is upgradable by adding additional cameras to guard the interior or the rear of a vehicle. Although an accessory hardwire kit is required, an SOS mode will automatically call and send GPS coordinates to emergency personnel after an accident, even if the driver is unresponsive, and a built-in battery powers the camera if the car's battery dies. In terms of size, if that is a factor in your vehicle, the 620-GW is one of the larger dash cams included here. Number 10. 70mm 500. Best value dashcam. The 70mm 500 dashcam won't bust your budget and doesn't skimp on features. It records in 1944p quality. 1944 is better resolution than 1080p, but doesn't take up as much storage as 4K. The P stands for progressive scan, a technique of loading pixels onto the screen to minimize flickering, and has a 170-degree field of view, but some reviewers and users report a slight fisheye effect due to the wide-angle lens. It also has a 2.4-inch display, a companion app, HDR full-color night vision, and built-in GPS to log real-time speed and location. There are even driver assist alerts for lane departure, forward collision warning, and pedestrian and cyclist detection. The dashcam comes with 128GB of built-in storage, but no memory card slot, which means you won't be able to upgrade to a larger capacity.